Hello everybody, hope you're doing well and welcome to another tutorial. And today we'll learn how to get the December Dump Instagram story sticker. Firstly, open up your Instagram, then go to Explore and search Add Your Stickers. Then tap on the monthly dump story highlight. Go through the story until you find the December dump. Once you find it, tap on Add Yours. Then select the photos you want to add. Then add to your story. And this is how you get the December Dump Instagram story sticker. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And we will see you in the next tutorial.